So as you see, what this problem is asking, a pilot drops a package from a plane which is moving horizontally. Then you need to find it out when the package hits the ground. What is the plane position? So this is a pretty simple problem. Let's say this is the plane and you have a package here and both moving horizontally with a velocity v. So there is no any relative motion between the package and the helicopter or the plane. So when the package drops down, so the package will fall in a vertical direction related to the pilot or to the plane. So the plane will always be over the package. Okay, because there is no any relative motion. Okay, so both, or in other words, if you would like to think about, if a person is onto the ground, both moving in a parabola path, the package will move in a parabola path. So if a person is sitting here, to this person, it just looks like the package is moving this way. And if you take any location, because this one has the horizontal velocity, the plane will always be on the top. So this is the package, and this is the plane. So the plane will always be on the top of the package. It will always be over the package, and there will be a relative motion along the y direction, but there is no any relative motion along the x direction. So the plane or the pilot will always be over the package, because there is no any relative motion along the y direction, along the x direction between the pilot and the package. So in this problem, you just have to do the vector addition. So this is a pretty straightforward problem. This is S vector. So if you need to find out the S vector in terms of M vector and N vector, how do you do that? So you see, this is S vector. Then you always start from the tail. So you start from the tail and move along this direction. And the N vector is along this is the direction of the N vector. And if you're going opposite, then this will be the negative N vector. And then from this tail, you go to this vector, which is M vector. In other words, when you need to start with the S vector, you're going from the tail and then you connect to the arrow or the head. So this vector is minus N vector, because these two have the opposite sign, and this is M vector. So your S vector will be negative N vector plus M vector. Or we can write it down as M vector minus N vector. Okay? Just see. Let me explain one more time. So this is S vector. So you start from the tail, go along this direction, and this direction is negative N vector, because the N vector is along this direction. So if I'm moving along this direction, this is negative N vector, and this is M vector. So just the vector addition then, M vector minus N vector.